This week in the never-ending search for delicious treats to put on the menu, we have cornbread. We have traditional sweet cornbread, a jalapeno cheddar cornbread, and then we have one that I like to call the Whaler Special, which has about 46 different ingredients in it that was provided to us by our own brew guy, Tim Whaler. Also serving up with the cornbread, I figured we might as well do corn dogs. Put Smokies on sticks and dip them in the batter for deep fried deliciousness. Drizzling over the cornbread, we have honey butter because it's awesome. We also have honey Tabasco, which is gonna add just a little bit of heat to it and a little bit of sweet.
So tonight we're drinking some lighter beers, some cream ales, some wheats, and focusing on the lighter flavors. Kind of in line with what we're gonna be focusing on at history class, which are session beers, lower in alcohol, easier to drink. So we're gonna be focused on making great beers, but we also wanna make sure they pair with the Southern fare we're gonna be having at history class.
Tonight we ate way too much cornbread, but if you guys got a secret family recipe that you guys like, let us know in the comments and I'll try it.